Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to configure auto download in WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp Messenger and click Setting, the bottom menu, and tap Storage and Data. Here you can choose when WhatsApp will automatically download photos, audio, video and documents. Click Photos. Now, if you set your auto download setting to never, your video was not automatically downloaded. However, once you tap on the play button, the video will start playing right away and continue the downloading processing in the background. If you click Wi-Fi, then media will automatically download when you are connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot such as your home internet. If you click Wi-Fi and cellular, then media will automatically download whenever you have an internet connection. I'm choosing Wi-Fi and cellular. By default, WhatsApp will automatically download image over your cellular connection to provide your quick access to your latest pictures. Audio and video will automatically download only on Wi-Fi. So I am click reset auto download setting. Now this is by default from WhatsApp. You like this video, please thumbs up this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.